Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you this stainless steel espresso machine. Not only does this espresso machine have a 20-bar professional Italian pump, but it also comes with a built-in milk frothing system. With a 34-ounce water tank and simple operation, you're going to be able to create individualized espresso that's matched to your taste preferences, all in the comfort of your own home.
The espresso machine looks so nice. It's made of high quality stainless steel and has a sleek, modern look to it. The buttons conveniently light up when you plug it in, and it has a removable drip tray that's going to make cleanup a breeze. It includes 2 brewing filters, a 1-cup size and a 2-cup size, and a tamper with spoon. It also comes with a portafilter. One great feature is that you can customize the amount of coffee that the machine dispenses. It has a 34-ounce removable water tank that's super easy to pop on and off, which makes it easy to clean as well. It also has this convenient on and off switch on the side of the machine and suction cups on the bottom of the machine to keep it in place on my countertop. In a matter of minutes, I'm going to have the perfect latte.
I'm so happy with this new espresso maker. It made me the perfect latte. This is a great addition to my kitchen. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.